गुड मॉर्निंग टू यू ऑल। बीके टीचर चैनल में आप सबों का एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। आइए प्राकृतिक दृश्य का आनंद लेते हुए आप इस चैनल के माध्यम से, जैसा कि मैंने कहा है, इंग्लिश, संस्कृत, हिंदी, मैथिली चारों लिटरेचर की जानकारी आपको इसके माध्यम से दी जाएगी। ये लिटरेचर सेंटर आप कह सकते हैं इसको, और सोशल स्टडीज़ भी इसमें तड़का के रूप में आपको मिलेगा। तो आइए आज हम डिसाइड किए हैं आप सबों को फ्रेज बताएंगे। फ्रेज। once again good morning to you all, my dear viewers of BK Research channel. All of you are welcome. Now I do hope that you will like it, this natural scene, and you will have to read. And today's topic is what is phrase? How can we use phrases in our sentences? Understood? Come to the point, my dear. First of all, we have to know the definition of phrase. My dear students, viewers, respected viewers, what phrase is? What is the definition of a phrase? What should be the definition of a phrase? Do you know? A phrase is a group of words which makes a sense but not complete sense. My dear, try to understand. Once again I repeat, a phrase is a group of words which makes a sense but not complete sense. As you know that, what is sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes sense, not complete sense. No. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. We have understood, we know. And second one is a group of words which has a subject and a predicate is known as sentence. Sentence should be a subject, sentence should be a predicate. What is subject? Noun or pronoun will be subject, always noun or pronoun. Either noun or pronoun will be used as subject. And after that, whatever helping verb, main verb, direct object, indirect object, anything is which are used in the sentence are predicate. Ram writes a letter to his father. Here Ram is subject. Who does the work of writing? Ram does the work of writing. So Ram is the subject. And writes, main V5, verb singular, a letter, object, to his father, indirect object, whatever it is. This is a predicate, you know. So in the sentence we find a subject and predicate. But in phrase, when we are going to study phrase, when we are going to understand phrase, we have to know that a phrase is a group of words which makes sense, not complete sense. Suppose in the corner is a phrase. On the roof is also a phrase. In the corner is a group of words, but it doesn't make any sense. On the roof is also a group of words. It doesn't make any sense. But when we say, I am standing in the corner of my room, my brother is playing on the roof, my brother is standing on the roof, in the corner, on the roof, these both used as sentence. These are normal or general phrases, you know, but some important meaningful phrases are there in English grammar. You have to understand it. We have to understand it. Just like in spite of, के बावजूद, in spite of his hard labor, he could not pass the examination. After all is also a phrase. It means also के बावजूद. he is not a good man. After all, he is your father. It may be possible that Mr. Ram is not a good man, but after all, he is the head of that family. I tried hard to help him. After all, he blamed me. Due to कारणवश I could not go to school due to rain. के कारण से, के वजह से, by dint of के द्वारा, by dint of hard labor, he passed the examination. Understood? Not only this, my dear, at all. बिल्कुल नहीं. No mercy at all. No help at all. No cheating at all. Though there should be no murmuring in the class at all. There should be no noise at all. You may use at all in different ways. Not only this, instead of के बदले में, on the place of, instead of a pronoun word which is used instead of a noun, you have used now and then, कभी कभार. He comes to this place now and then. Once for all, सदा के लिए. He left his town once for all. Understood? He is suffering from fever. It may be used as preposition also. After suffering, you have to always use from preposition. This also indicates. So, my dear, phrase is very common thing. When an English writer uses phrases in his paragraph, in his English writing, readers will be pleased, and the value of sentence is more important, is greater. Phrases make a sentence meaningful. Phrases make a sentence, important. So always use phrases to write better English. Thank you very much. This is phrases from this corner.